Shah Rukh Khan. The King Khan of Bollywood SRK has more than 21 million followers on Instagram and he earns around 3 crores per post. Ranveer Singh. This actor has around 31 million followers and for per Instagram post, Ranveer charges around 1 crore. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar has more than 39 million followers on Instagram and his per post charge is around 4 crores. Salman Khan. The Bhaijan of Bollywood has around 31 million followers on Instagram and per post he earns around 3 crores. Varun Dhawan. The street dancer 3D actor Varun has more than 27 million followers as of now on Instagram and he charges around 40 lakhs per post. Ayushmann Khurrana. Talented actor Ayushmann Khurrana has more than 10 million followers and he demands around 15 lakhs per post. Hrithik Roshan. The Greek god of Bollywood has more than 26 million followers and he gets paid around 2 crores per post. Vicky Kaushal. Bollywood heartthrob Vicky Kaushal has more than 6 million followers and he charges around 8 lakhs per post on Instagram. Shahid Kapoor. The Kabir Singh actor has more than 26 million followers and he charges 30 lakhs per post of brand endorsement. Kartik Aaryan. This Bollywood actor has more than 16 million followers and he charges around 20 lakhs per post on Instagram. Amitabh Bachchan. Big B of Bollywood Amitabh Bachchan has more than 15 million followers and he demands around 50 lakhs per post. Tiger Shroff. This actor has more than 21 million followers on Instagram and he gets around 20 lakhs per post. Arjun Kapoor. This Bollywood actor has more than 11 million followers and he charges around 20 lakhs per brand endorsement post. Siddharth Malhotra. Siddharth has more than 10 million followers and he gets around 8 to 10 lakhs per endorsement post on Instagram. John Abraham. On Instagram, John has more than 7 million followers and he demands around 10 lakhs per post. Rajkumar Rao. Rajkumar Rao has more than 2 million followers on Instagram and he charges around 3 lakhs per brand endorsement. Ajay Devgan. Ajay Devgan has around 6 million followers and he gets paid around 10 lakhs for promotional posts. Suraj Pancholi. This actor has more than 1 million followers on Instagram and he charges around 1 lakh per post. Ishan Khattar. For promotional posts, Ishan charges around 2 lakhs per post and he has more than 1 million followers. Abhishek Bachchan. Junior Bachchan has more than 5 million followers on Instagram and he gets paid around 2 to 3 lakhs per post.